Hello everyone, myself Sukimani Marandi and welcome to our channel Biodiversity and Conservation by Ambika Prasad Research Foundation. From today onwards, we will start our new series Orchids of Odisha. The first day of the session, we will start with Orchids of Odisha Part 1 where I will demonstrate one orchid at a time that are available in Odisha. So let's begin. As we know that in Odisha there are total 160 orchid species that are documented by Dr. Sanjeet Kumar in 2020. So what is the need of orchid and why it is so important? So its importance is important in ecological aspect. It has food values, it has ornamental values, it has economic values, it has cultural values, it has medicinal values. So in ecologically, it indicates the health of the forest and the food value as in we have done survey, so we get to know that the bulbophyllum cranium, the bulb part, is consumed to cool their stomach, and when people go inside the forest they consume this orchid. Then ornamental values. Example like Dendrobium chrysotoxum. Then economic value. As in Dendrobium formosum. It is mainly used in market values. Then cultural values. Rhicostylus retusa, commonly known as foxtail orchid. It is used in Bohag Bihu festival. It is a state flower of Assam. Then the medicinal values. As we have surveyed in Bonnet Forest Division, we get to know that some tribal people they use Vanda tessellata to use against cuts and wounds, and basically the leaf part, as you will see in the next slide. As you can here see Vanda tessellata. It is a epiphytic, and you can see that it is attached to the trunk of the plant. Then this is the scientific classification. Kingdom Plantae, order Aspergillus, family Orchidaceae, subfamily Epidendrodaceae, genus Vanda, species Vanda tessellata. Their IUCN status. As you can see, the IUCN status of Vanda testillata is least concern till now. So, as we know that orchid are one of the largest group of angiosperms belongs to the family Orchidaceae. So, there are mainly two type of orchid, monopodial orchid and sympodial orchid. So, this Vanda tessellata is monopodial orchid, and it is mostly flowering and fruiting time will be June to July. Then comes to the next slide. Their habit and habitat. So habitat, they are mostly found in dry and moist deciduous forest, and it is mostly found in the high altitude, and habitat will be epiphyte. So what are the host plants? Mean Vanda tessellata, in which tree we will found them attached to it. So we will maximum see in Madhuka longifolia, as in Odia we known as a mohulo, Diospyros melanogenum, in Odia we known as Kendu, Sclechiresa oleosa, Odia is known as a Kusum, Mangifera indica, Odia is known as Ambo, and etc. Others are also there. Then leaf of Vanda tessellata. So how the characteristics of leaf we can make. So the leaf is succulent. It is 15 to 20 centimeter long, linear, recurve, complicate. Succulent as in plants with parts that are thick, fleshy, and usually retain water in arid climates or soil condition. And this is the whole plant of the Vanda tessellata. The new leaf is there, flower is there, the main stem, aerial root. Then comes the key character of orchid flower, as in key character of Vanda tessellata. So here you can see two sepals, two petals, three sepals, one leaf or labellum or one column. As you can see, the upper part is dorsal sepal and the lower two part is lateral sepal. But there are only lateral petal, two lateral petal. So here you can see the leaf or labellum. So there will be always, we have seen in the field that the color variation of Vanda tessellata comes to it as a yellow, sometimes light to dark brown, and the leaf color is blue colored. Then comes the faunal relationship with Vanda tessellata. As we have wandering in the forest and we get to know that there are some Vanda tessellata leaves that are mean in ground we have seen, but there is some as in teeth mark. So we get to know that it is the teeth mark of Indian giant squirrel, in Odia we known as Billari mosa. So at the summertime, they consumed it, they consume the leaf part to retain the water from it so that it will be cool for their body. Then insect relationship with Vanda tessellata. So as we have seen, spiders make their home in their root part and then many insects get trapped on the spider web. Then the reptiles feed on the insect that are trapped. Example as we have seen chameleons. Then, what are the medicinal uses? As you can see, in medicinal uses we have as documented leaf and root part. So, it cures wounds, cuts, fever, anti-inflammatory, rheumatism, and earache. Thank you for watching.